What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to add adjustment layers in Adobe Premiere Pro. So as you can see here, I have Premiere Pro opened and I have a clip on my timeline. Let's add an adjustment layer. So go to the projects panel here where I have my clips for the project and click in an empty space, right click and new item, choose adjustment layer and make sure it's the same as your video settings. Click OK. And the adjustment layer is created. I can drag it now on top of my clip in the timeline and I can stretch it in and out as I want. So in this video I'll show you an example. Let's apply a blur to a certain part of the video here. Now I'll select the adjustment layer, then I'll open the effects panel. If I don't see it, go to window, effects here, and it'll show. Let's type in the search Gaussian blur. Okay, scroll down a bit. It's here under blur and sharpen. I'll drag it to my adjustment layer. And in the effect controls panel here, I see the Gaussian blur effect is applied and will increase the blurriness here. However, as you can see, the whole video clip is blurred. That's because the size of the adjustment layer is as big as the clip. Now, to make it smaller or to cover a certain part of the video, let's go to make sure the adjustment layer is selected and let's go to scale. Here, click the arrow and uncheck uniform scale. Now let's scale down the height, as you can see here, and scale down the width. Then I can adjust the position to make it like cover this part here in the video. Now, the cool thing is the blur effect isn't applied directly to my clip. As you can see, if I hide the adjustment layer, all the effects that I applied to it are now gone and I can view my original video.